Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are super fine. So today I am here with this new eye makeup tutorial. So in this eye makeup, first I apply brown color to my crease line. It gives a proper finish to my eye and give a proper eye shape to my eye. I apply this shade to my inner cortex, to my outer cortex, and I also apply to my crease line, but I will not fill eyeball in this color. Now I will take silver shade which I apply on the eyeball of my eye. It's a very glamorous and a very soft eye makeup which you can wear on every outfit, on every occasion. And now I take aqua liner which I apply on my eyes. I will apply a wing eyeliner. You can see that how I apply this. Now I take the silver shimmer which I lightly apply on my eyes and also fill my inner eye with this shimmer.